Step into the world of fashion, where creativity meets innovation and beauty goes hand in hand with style. On Fashion Wednesday, we delve into the journeys of influential voices in the fashion and beauty industries here in Ghana. From emerging designers to seasoned professionals, we explore their stories, their crafts, and vision for fashion's future. Get the inside scoop on the latest trends, expert styling tips, and beauty hacks to elevate your look. Join me every week as we celebrate the art, the passion, and the people behind the scenes who make fashion more than what we just wear. This is Fashion Wednesday, where fashion comes to life. Catch Fashion Wednesday every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. on MX24 TV.
Well, hello everybody. You're most welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is Fashion Wednesday right here on the AM Club. I'm excited. My name is Daphne Flashley. I have here with me in the studios two handsome gentlemen. Now, these gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, one is now learning fashion. That's what I say. It's true.
No. So the thing is, I kind of know a lot about fashion.
You kind of know a lot.
No, I kind of.
You know or you kind of?
I know.
You know?
I know. I make pieces as well.
Hey!
No, that's the truth.
Oh, true.
No, true. I make pieces.
Which
and
pieces do you make?
out.
People.
Oh no! I make my own
yourself,
pieces.
okay.
Yeah. So I sew trousers for myself. I make tops for myself. I know how to make a lot of accessories as well. Bucket hats and the likes. Trust me.
You didn't even finish making
No, because
you didn't make it for
no. The way you are introducing me, you need to.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, man.
Sorry,
Yeah, man.
Please,
Yeah.
two gentlemen in the house.
Yeah.
One is the Minister of Fashion in Ghana.
Fashion and no, that one the style they are living for. Fashion and accessories.
Fashion and accessories. Ministry of Fashion and Accessories.
Yeah.
Under the government.
Please, no.
And then, ladies and gentlemen, we have here in the studios with us celebrity stylists and makeup artists. We have here the therapist.
Some people's outfit needs to
Are we
go
burning
for
his
therapy.
look?
Oh,
Please
it's okay.
Hey! No, be honest. Be
Someone
honest.
who makes accessories, and I'm really scared. Maybe I might need his accessories one day. So let me just stay safe.
No. So today's look is I'm trying to be solemn, but also stay positive. So right in the middle. Hence this shade of color.
Oh my God! See,
No,
he
seriously.
understands. He understands the job.
So today I picked a lot of outfits. I'm like, no, today there are a lot more solemn stories. Not only for you in entertainment, but also for me in sports. So I have to try and mirror those stories while still staying positive.
So me, I'm the one that don't know.
Me, I didn't
because
say
I'm
anything.
wearing
You are the
bright
one
color.
asking the question.
All right. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm excellent every
You're
day.
excellent.
Glorious. Yeah.
First
I'm
of all, how do you balance all of this? You are sitting here. I'm sure you're already booked, and you're in a hurry
To live.
to go and make the money. How do you balance all of this?
I feel it's not by my strength. I always say it's just God's grace and His will in my life that keeps me. So I really can't tell how I do it, but I manage to do it regardless. Yeah.
The last time I was scrolling through social media, I think the last client you styled was, if I'm wrong, Sefa?
Sefa, yes,
Sefa
for
was the
her
last.
birthday.
You see, I'm following
Yes.
You
That's,
see, I'm a big fan.
That's true. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've had most of this. You've had most of these.
Hey, you
celebrities.
before.
No, me, I want to ask.
Yeah, that same birthday.
The birthday
that same birthday. Yes. You like it, right?
Give you some
Oh.
Some of what?
of the car.
Sefa is my sister, so I
know.
mean, I can go and have a ride anytime I want. So that's just
That's
it.
good. Let's get straight into the conversation for today. Over the weekend, there were conversations that we had, and they're still being had. Okay. On Monday, 2 days ago, I stood here, I roughly rated some outfits on TGMA. And I kept giving my sense, and he said, what do I mean boring? I should state it. What do I mean bland? I should state it. But personally, I don't want to state it because every time I've stood here and spoken about, you know, what I think about fashion and stating the obvious, it goes here. Like, I mean, nobody listens. Exactly. So I'm like, why should I waste my time to talk about it? So I'm glad that they've actually brought a specialist to do the talking. Because me, I don't want to do the talking.
I know.
So do that on our behalf and we will listen.
I know I'll step on a lot of toes, but
First of all, overall, rating TGMA outfits from the beginning of TGMAs, have we even developed in any way?
If you ask me my opinion, I mean everything I'll say is my opinion.
Yes.
So I mean
like
nobody should
Disclaimer.
come. Yeah, nobody should come for
Exclusion
me.
clause.
I mean, and
Right.
it's how I feel and how we've all been here and we've seen it from way back until now. I would say it's not for now. It's not improving. It has dropped, you know, and it has dropped because at a point in the VGMA's calendar, like I mean, they actually came strong. The times where Saligali thems, where the Yvonne thems and those people were in. I mean, it was getting very serious. I mean, till they dropped. I don't know what happened, but they dropped, and then now it's like everybody is now on the red carpet and then doing everything that.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't say people say because they've allowed the TikTokers and then content creators to be on. That's why it's like that.
Celebrity.
Yes, but I mean, I also don't.
They are not celebrities.
I kind of disagree, but you don't need to be a celebrity to be on the red carpet. You just need to know how to pull up big, and then that's it, you know. So for me, if you ask me, per what I've seen, I think it has dropped drastically now.
Last year, Charterhouse decided to put some rules together. Now they've reached out to certain celebrities personally to say, we want you on the red carpet. This is the theme, show up and show out, and these are the celebrities that will be showing on TV. I don't think that happened this year. You know?
I think I don't know what actually went on behind, but you don't just call me and say I should show up big, and I come showing up big for your event. You need to invest, you know. So I don't know what communication went on, but we know in Ghana people will call you and say, "Oh, come through for me," and then that's it. They leave you to do your thing. But I feel you should invest because now you have to think of makeup, dress, like styling and all that. And I mean, if the person doesn't have the means, and this is Ghana where if you are suffering or you are not getting what you are supposed to get, you speak out. People bash you. So I mean, a celebrity would not like to come out and say, I don't have money to come, or I don't have money to purchase this and come.
Bro,
you get what I'm saying?
Let me stop you right there. When it comes to that, I will commend Lali and Lola.
Yeah.
If you followed their story, they were plain. They said, we are repeating our outfits.
Yes.
We don't have money.
Yes.
Number two, there's no time.
Yes.
We've reached out to a couple of designers, but it looks like they don't want to work with us. So do you know what we're going to do? We're going to wear the same thing and put the shiny on the front.
Yes.
And that's exactly what they
they did.
And that's authentic. So with that one, they can't come on and then I will bash them.
Yeah.
Because I already know what the situation is. But also, I think that it's amazing that they were able to remodel the dress,
I mean,
you know?
that's a very great one, but they are my people. But, you know, I'll also be very blunt on them.
Go.
You know, it's not, you say you reach out to people. They are my people. They all came to me. Okay, so that's just on a lighter note. But I also feel that you have to also respect the platform. You know, revamping it is not a bad thing. But on which platform are you revamping it to? You know, so what they did market-wise makes sense. But fashion-wise, not to say it doesn't make sense, but it's not pardonable. Because if I'm supposed to bash or critique a look, you'll be part of it. Regardless of what you said that, oh, you don't have it and all that. Do you get what I'm saying? So, and again, if you know you revamped and it's not up to standard, you don't show yourself.
Even if you're revamping,
but
you have to revamp it in a way that
people don't even trace it.
Worth it.
Yes. But I mean, Lali and Lola are market people. I really like their hustle, and what they wanted to achieve is what they got. You know, for them, it's a plus.
Yeah.
But for us as fashion people, we'll be here sitting and saying, but they got recognition at the end of the day. So that's what matters, you know. And yeah, I mean, they really did their best.
Yeah. Before we get into the conversation and start rating looks, what do you think? What can we do? My bro.
What's in my brain?
What can we do? What can we do? Last one. What can we do?
I think it all boils down to what I said earlier, investment. We have to invest in. You don't need a lot of people to be on the red carpet. You need just few people who you think they can make the news for you. And in Ghana, we always think that bad news sells. Yeah. So I think that's why I don't want to say or think for them. But they think maybe they are very comfortable with the bad news coming every time. And of course, it will be a talk of town. But then you ask yourself, is it gaining the attention the right attention that you need? Because it's always, this thing is not like this, and they now compare it to Nigerians and all that. In a way, you feel and enjoy the hype and all that, but it goes against you at the end of the day. And I feel they've actually limited the thing to, because it's a music festival, they just feel it's just about the music. So if you see the structure well, mainly 90% of everything they do is towards the music awards, nothing like fashion. There's nothing intentional about it, and then that's it. So I feel that's what they think. It's music, but you can't do music without fashion. You know, so you need to let the people come out strong. Because at the end of the day, if they come out strong, look at Nanado's Equiado's dress. I mean, it's one way or the other. We are talking about about her, sorry.
Yeah.
But we are still crediting it to the Nigerian industry. And for us, it's a loss.
Right?
Yes, you know.
Right?
So
Yeah.
I mean, we can do better, and these things we might take it like it's just say but it's really a dent in the industry.
Yeah. You brought Nana Ekuado up. Let's quickly do this before we switch into rating outfits. I'm sure you've heard about it. There's a whole brouhaha going on about her clothes. Right now, Almi Couture was saying that they started discussing the outfits, and she ended up with Abbas woman. Now, Almi Couture decided to withdraw, you know, what she was doing for her because she says that she's a couture look and she didn't want to exaggerate it, and Nana Ekuado wanted it exaggerated. She wanted it this way. So a full refund was made.
Yeah.
Who do you think is in the right and who is in the wrong? Yes, Nana Ekuado went to Almi Couture to say that there's this AI thing that I've seen. I think is a brilliant idea for me to wear this to the AMVCA. And then Almi Couture started, you know, creating the look, you know, putting sketches together. And then Nana Ekuado finished it with Abbas woman. Like the whole concept came alive with Abbas woman. Who actually holds the intellectual property? Nana Ekuado or Almi?
If you ask me my opinion again, I've seen the stories and then looking at the conversation or the test between them, I feel Nana Ekuado has done nothing wrong, honestly. And because if I'm a client and I bring it to you that, oh, I want this and that, and you tell me you can execute, it doesn't stay there. I'm not supposed to be there and waiting for you. Okay, then it has expired.
Yeah.
I need to push.
Yeah.
So someone who can, you know. So what if Abbas own flopped? He wouldn't have come out to say they designed it, truthfully.
Yeah.
You know, so it's just a way of getting attention. I feel I should just ignore it because it's really creating some dent or dividing the attention that we need to give to her to now the designer and then her. So, I mean, this is no case. You should just trash it off and then
Now
move
people
on.
even know who Almi Couture is. I don't even know.
I know, you see, yes. Like, for instance, I just went on the page, went through everything, and then now seeing it. You know, so for me, I feel she just let it go and enjoy her time, you know, fully.
Okay. Let's hop on straight into some looks on the TGMA red carpet. Disclaimer, you'll be annoyed.
Yeah.
Yes. On behalf of this, you'll be annoyed.
Oh, why should this be first?
I don't know. Is this AMVCA or TGMA?
No,
this is TGMA. That's Black Sherif.
I can't even see. Where's my glasses?
That's Black
That's
Sherif.
Black
That's
Sherif.
Black Sherif,
What do you think about Black Sherif's outfit?
You know, I always say that we check your personality and then judge you based on what you wear. Then again, fashion doesn't have any rule.
Yeah.
You can actually break it and make it happen if you know you are doing it right. For Black Sherif, this is a typical
It's called
Sherif style.
Black Sherif style.
Yes. So for me, if you ask me, and where he is on the platform, I mean, I would have loved to see something fresh and new for me, because this is a typical. So when I see, I'm able to just trace it. It's like nothing really, like no much effort put in it, even though it's an art or it's nice. It's just a typical Sheriff style, and I would have loved to see him in something else.
Something that will, you know.
Yeah.
Black Sheriff or Jamie Wong.
No, but his
No,
chest.
he's always been like
You should
like,
have hidden his chest a bit,
should
because
have
the guys
oiled it, you
who.
know.
No, I mean, if you have this kind of body there, you flaunt it.
You
No, but then
flirting.
again, let's try and juxtapose the season in which Black Sheriff finds himself now, which is the pop star season.
Oh, right. All right.
Trying to
all right,
use that
all right.
as basics and then adding the whole glitz to it. How would you now rate the?
Yeah, I
the
actually
outfit?
thought about that for promotional purpose, but I mean, it would have been. That's what I said. It would have been more advanced than just giving us this. There's not like a pop star look. You know, it's just a look that he created. But I mean, I would have loved to see him in a more wild apparel.
Okay, so this is Harold Amenya.
Alright.
Also, someone that was auditioning for Marvel. I don't know if they whispered in their ear that we needed new characters.
I mean, this look, sorry.
No,
I
why
know I'll
you
step
sorry?
on your toe, but I mean,
don't be
it's
sorry.
my mind. But I'll just be very
exactly.
honest. You know,
Don't be sorry.
when I saw this dress, when I saw it, I just knew. I don't know, but I'm just saying it looks like it's not his measurement. It's not fitting.
Okay.
It looks like some dress or some suit that has been shown to him to
Already
wear
made.
because of maybe it happens rush hour,
Yeah.
or maybe your designer disappoints you. So because looking at the sleeves, like you know, it can be down a little. The pants looks very hanging. You know, the body of the suit looks very very tight. Unless he wants to say this is the look he wants
This is
to.
the look
You
he
know,
wants
in
to go
fashion
for,
too.
yeah.
That's why I say you can't condemn a look, but I can say my sense on it.
of
So for
course.
me, if you ask me, I'll say it was a good try, but I mean, it could have been way better. Looking at him and what he's done over the years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
This is what this is what you were telling me. Daphne, keep quiet. Don't say.
No, I didn't say keep
You
quiet.
told
I
me.
said that you should explain your point.
They don't deserve it.
No. No,
This-
you said this is like someone going for outdooring.
This,
And I
this,
said an outdooring, but this is the black version
What?
of a dress that you
Dress.
take for an
I'm not,
outdooring.
yeah.
Am I right? Or
Yeah,
am I
yeah,
wrong?
but you know, I don't know why you're giving me my friends. She's also a friend, a makeup artist, dope makeup artist from the States. And I mean,
say your words.
honestly, honestly,
Say your words.
honestly, I would not like to say on this one. Yeah,
You want to
No,
skip?
Yeah.
no. Can I say something?
I won't skip,
No,
but
can I say something? Please, you don't have to skip. Do you
Okay,
know why?
no.
Because I was at an event with her just.
Oh, you know her,
Yes,
right?
I know her. I was at an
Yeah,
event
yeah,
with her.
yeah.
I hosted an event
Yeah,
where she was present,
yeah.
but I still said my mind.
okay.
It doesn't
You know,
take anything.
the truth of the matter is, this doesn't even qualify to be on the red
On the
carpet.
red carpet.
Yeah, and
Yes.
I find it very
Confusing.
confusing.
Did
I
you
guess
text her? Did you call her? What happened? Girl,
no,
what happened?
because prior to this, we were actually having a conversation, and I wasn't able to come through. So if I say, then it will also be. You understand? So, so I mean, I would not like to say much on that. I would just like to keep it. I mean, I would really like for us to skip this look because it's very insulting.
Can we?
When I saw
AKA
when I saw like
Uncle
his,
Clarkin.
yeah, when I saw like his dress on the red carpet, I was like, I don't could be being a
He's passing to say.
yeah, it's just it
You
looks
know?
like he wasn't ready, nothing, zero effort.
Yeah.
And I find
Is
it
the
very
shirt ironed?
Yeah, it is.
I find it very insulting to
It
be
is.
on this carpet.
He
And
sat in a car, so.
and that's one thing I'm saying. You see, no matter how big you are,
Yeah.
if you're not appropriate, you don't put you on. Because this is coming on our TVs. And he was even interviewed.
Yeah,
Giovanni
yeah.
like a full
why
session
would
and
you-
still.
why would you
I mean, it's
interview him?
the least. This actually. You said okay, I'll mention. But
Where's
I mean,
this?
this not even worse. Like it's a zero for me.
It's a zero.
You
The only-
know,
the only
I'm not being harsh, but you see,
Why the pause? No, first of all,
Because they
why
are
the
giving
pause?
him his people.
You see-
but you see, with a job, you have to be
you see
very,
the issue.
you
You see the issue I'm talking about. Yeah. Like we are not like nobody respects anyone because honestly, if you call me to come for an interview,
Yeah.
I'll come not appearing anyhow. Because at the end of the day, it's my brand that is coming out.
Yeah.
And I don't know how far this can go. So you don't risk it. So I mean, if someone like Mona with all the money and everything, I won't even say money, the people that she knows.
Yeah.
I mean, this
network?
also this looks just like it's like maybe Omuko baby na you're from Wabim. Like just pass through because this one it doesn't even music video. It will not qualify in music videos.
So maybe
That's more like a shopping, like you're just going out winter time outside, like because this one is zero effort. I think the likey version of this is the likey version.
The female likey version.
Version of like
version,
honestly,
yeah,
with no offense, but I mean, we've seen her wear nice dress. I mean, the normal day car, like what she wears is very nice. You know, it's very insulting. So this shouldn't come on the red carpet. But this is Ghana where they want to make news. Everybody wants to interview everybody.
Yeah.
So you can't interview someone who is not out there but dressed well. But you choose to interview someone who is out there and dressed anyhow. It's very insulting to the person even interviewing because look at the effort you put in what you are wearing.
Yeah.
And then look at the efforts. Like you don't put the person there. But I mean, of course. And they even interviewed her too. Oh, but with the marshal that part. You're putting the looks. You know, honestly, Achami Kwame with the level that he is now. I'm sorry, but I mean, I keep saying I'm sorry. But with the level that he is now, same as Haja, it shouldn't be like this. And it's my friend that did this.
Your friend did this?
Yes. And
we need to have a conversation.
And honestly, I've not also called him or tested him. Because this is the thing in Ghana. If someone creates something and you want to, oh, my friend, it will be better you do it like this, do it like they get offended.
Yeah.
So sometimes you just look at it and pass. But it's bad. I should be able to tell you that, oh, you should have done this and that this. The truth of the matter is, everybody wants to do everything and take the money.
Oh.
They don't want to collaborate. They don't want to. So imagine you telling someone that, oh, I want to put this look together for Chami Kwame. I'll tell you, oh, because of the effect or the material, make it very loose. Or do something that will have structure, something that will not tighten. But this thing looks, no wonder this guy said, it looks like photo. I mean, but it really doesn't do justice to anything. And it's very insulting looking at him and how far he's come with TGMA. Come on, you shouldn't do this, man.
I mean, he turned 50 this year, and it was an opportunity for him to come out and let people know that I'm still the man, you know?
And honestly, I really love his new song, right?
Yeah.
So I was really thinking that he will capitalize on it and then come out. And I was saying the normal Ochami Kwame time dresses more than this. Like nice suits, very colorful dresses. It looks very nicer than this. I mean, the story behind the costume is right.
The Galamsey story.
Execution is very poor. Sorry, but I mean, it's very, very terrible.
All over the place. Now we're going to Godwin Nambo. What do you think about Godwin's outfit?
Godwin is also a friend, and I'll be very honest.
Yeah.
I love Godwin's look in motion than in pictures. I mean, I think the pictures didn't do justice to it. Even though people are saying it looks like a funeral dress, but in Ghana, who says black?
This to a funeral?
Yeah, who says black is funeral? Who says red is funeral? Red can be love. So what do you mean by it looks like? But for me, this look is very great. Great.
We're moving to AJ Akoko Sapon. What do you think?
AJ. I won't say sorry, even though she's also a friend.
I'm so sorry.
But I mean, AJ, this is a typical AJ style.
Okay.
And I know the designer who did this. And of course, maybe she would not like to go extra with the looks. But for me, as a normal, everyday AJ dress.
But I want us to also, with AJ, let's, not that I'm creating a caveat for her, but let's put into consideration the current moment she finds herself with her family and all that adding up to it.
I appreciate that, and there are no hard feelings, but I feel if you are doing it, do it.
Okay.
Yeah, don't. There's no excuse to life actually.
Okay.
You have to take every blame because you stood out to it. You know, so there's no justification to this. I mean, there's no justification.
Oh.
This is also a typical Regina
Regina
dress.
look,
It's just like
the
I'm just seeing her wedding in this like just
The newly
a
Mrs.
bridal. Yeah. So I mean, I think she just plays safe, bridal look, which is not supposed to be on the red carpet. But I mean, she's the host, so let's just put it.
Asking
And then
inappropriate
Asking questions necessary
Well,
to a certain portion.
okay.
Okay, that one I can also talk about because
right,
that one is about you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, that one you guys have the best.
you guys-
No, I mean you guys do that. Me, I'm here to talk about
Oh,
fashion.
the
so-
fashion. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay,
I'll sit.
Makafri fella, what do you think
You know,
about it?
when I saw Fela, I was like, this is how you show up. You know, like this is how you show up. Especially with the whole knowing that I'm also saying I'm joining Regina. I mean, knowing that medical will be there. You know,
I get where you are going. I get where you are going.
I'm
You have
just
to
saying,
show-
and
you have to show what they are missing out.
You have to come up big. You know, and I love medicals dress now, like in a way. You know, this is how you show up. I mean,
Wow.
and this is not a medical style. So I mean, it looks okay, but it's good. And
better
it's better
than
than
everything,
before
yeah,
when she
yeah.
wear the jeans this is really good. So when I saw Fela's look, honestly, what just came in mind is this is the show. And Fela has always been consistent, honestly. I don't know how she does it, but she put a lot of funds
Yeah.
in her creation. I don't care if it's free, but it's still networking, right?
Yeah.
She's very intentional. Look at her makeup. Look at her. Look at the silhouette. And she's gained weight.
Yeah.
So this is
it's
how you show
beautiful,
up.
yeah.
You don't come too much. You come very simple, but still rock the show. This is nice. And look at the backdrop and then hair in. It still
It
works.
doesn't overshadow.
No, not at all.
It doesn't contract.
Not at all. Even
you
this
know.
picture is not doing justice, but
Yeah.
you can tell
Yeah.
that she is the show. She is standing out.
She is the show.
Yeah, she is. She is.
Well,
she is.
let's move on to the next one.
If you're although when I saw if you're the same thing I said.
In,
I mean,
classic
you're
this
Diane,
classic
yeah,
Diane.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not surprised Classic did this costume.
Beautiful.
But then again, I'm also happy if your dog came like this because it's not predictable.
Yeah.
Because the if your dog we know will come out
Yeah.
looking away. So it's quite different. This is what I'm talking about with Black Sheriff. So when you appear like this, even if it's not nice, we kind of give credit to you for your effort. So for me, I feel this is a very nice look.
Okay. Sister Derby, the African.
All right,
race.
so
The jellyfish.
you know, I also know who did this,
Okay.
and okay, this is also just Debbie.
Yeah.
Nothing
a
different.
normal
Yeah,
Debbie,
nothing
right?
different. It's just Debbie. When you see Debbie, it's no, there's nothing really different or unique about. It's okay. It's not
Let's
bad.
move on to the next one. Adrianella in Rex Kojo Couture.
All right.
What
So
do you think about this look? Look at
So-
for the I think 1, 2, 3, 2 times that Rex has worked with Adrianella on the look. I think 2 times the
Came
first
out.
one she got best
nice.
dressed.
Mhm.
Last year we saw the whole fire thing going on. What do you think about this?
I think they played safe this time, because there's one thing about raising a bar. If you raise a bar to a point, there's no better way than to drop it and start again and pick it again.
Okay.
Because if you want to beat your record, you might fail. You know, and I like Black Sherry for, you see, he's been very consistent. Like, I don't know how he does it, but it's just, look at many musicians that comes, give hit songs and never able to break their record again. So I feel they were just trying to play safe, but it goes against them in a way. Because we are not marking it based on you dropping it and raising it again on that. What if you never rise again with your next look, you know? So I feel they could have just done better. Even though it's it's just a very nice baby girl dress. There's nothing really, nothing really. It's just okay. It's just okay. She can do better. Ali, I really don't know the problem with, that's why I said, the people coordinate, you know. And with no offense to Ali, right? But I feel if you're not a fashion person, you are not a fashion person. You get what I'm saying?
I get you.
Don't force to be in. Because there are some body type that cannot wear some things. There's some that can wear some things. So, I mean, if it's not for, just be honest to yourself. You are a musician, you know you can do well in high life. Don't come and say you are doing raga. You feel. You know, so for Ali, I don't see him in any way like a fashion person. So he would just do things to bring attention to him. And that's what he did. But for me, if genuinely, what are you getting from this whole image? I really don't understand. I really don't understand.
Is fashion supposed to make you comfortable or uncomfortable?
It depends, but it can make you uncomfortable.
Yeah,
Because he
But
was
you
feeling
should.
hot.
Very.
Yeah.
But I mean, someone can wear this and still make it happen.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I said Ali in person is not a stylish person. It's not someone with style. So no matter how you do it, it will still not give. It's just like it will not work. You know, so I mean, we are talking about him now, whether good or bad. We are still talking about him.
Talking about comfortability, let's go straight into the AMVCA because there was a lot of people who couldn't walk, especially the bread seller.
Oh,
So,
please don't call my friend a bestseller. I posted her recently.
I
Yeah,
what
yeah,
do you
but it's
think?
fine.
She just opened the bakery.
Your Queen is daring,
Messy
right?
at times,
Yeah. And I've actually worked with her a lot of times, and I know how she can be. She always wants to think outside the box. But for me, she has a bakery.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Like
Yes.
she just opened her bakery.
Yeah, so
she
it's a
wanted,
good way
like,
to advertise. But if you ask me fashion-wise, of course, I'll say not really, but market-wise, it worked. Because
This is
everyone is
by,
talking about
Tiana, right?
yes.
Tiana.
And she's a very great, you know. And you see, I have issue with designers, right? The fact that you're a designer doesn't necessarily mean you're a stylist. You can make beautiful pieces, but you can't put beautiful pieces together. Styling is art. It's not just sewing. It goes beyond it. So you can have the best knowledge in sewing, but not putting it together. And that's always the issue with these people. I mean, market, as I said, is working because the bread is falling off and all that. And, you know,
Was it
it's...
not chaotic?
Yeah,
It was
and it's a
chaotic,
lot
like-
of things happening.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
she's getting the attention that she needed. I don't think she came with the mind of making fashion statements. She came to make market statement, and that's it.
Now you're aware that you know she's open.
Beautiful.
This is Messi
Beautiful.
in
Beautiful.
a beautiful aquarium dress.
I'm just praying that we don't compare those two hours because
No, we have to. We have to go there because it
That's why we
happened
called you here.
on the same night. Number one, number two, they are all award shows. Number
yes.
three, they are all in the same industry.
Yeah,
Number
yeah.
4, they are big in each
Yes,
country.
yes. So let's talk about the one before
store,
this
yeah.
one.
Let's talk about Messi case.
Yeah, you know, they are very intentional about these things. And when you ask Nani Criado, she started planning even before the year starts.
Of course.
Yeah.
With the messages we saw,
Yes.
it was
Look
last
at
year, September.
So you can't tell me this person will mess it up. The person has taken her time. So it's very intentional. Unlike us when call you 3 days to the program. Oh, chale me ko bebe ubeti benya because VJ me mame ubenya atade bia mame. And now yenya atade fast. Like, you know, it will be rushed. You know, so this is what I'm talking about. And they always do the shoots or the recordings even 2 days before the program.
Yeah.
So you can't tell me they will get it wrong. This is very intentional. You can see. So comparing it will be dangerous.
Yeah. All right. Moving on. We still have to compare. You cannot see it.
Oh, of
This
course.
is a
This
beautiful-
another beautiful
yes,
piece.
from
And
Nani Criado.
and people always say they want her to walk. Because most of the time, this dresses, like Messi's dress, the bread, it's just supposed to be for steals. Because if you're walking, it's uncomfortable. Tell Ikea to walk in this, and it will be very dangerous. You know, but some images are supposed to, looks are supposed to be like this. So, I mean, this is a beautiful art.
I didn't see
and-
this piece on the red carpet.
No. That's what I'm saying, that some pieces are just art. You can't move. Even the cathedral dress.
Yeah.
You saw the motion one.
Yeah.
The motion one was a bit tacky,
Yeah.
because that's not, because 3D or 5D, you are supposed to move.
How will she sit down?
Oh, no, you can't. That's what I'm saying. These are just for pictures that you
Aesthetics.
move.
All right.
Yeah, you can't just, but this is art, so it's fine. Of course, this dress, they've said a lot about it. It's nice, very good efforts in there.
Is this swanky?
No, that's not swanky. I mean, but this is the same meal in a different country. Look at how he's showed up. And that's always the issue with us, right? Especially Ghanaians. If you do things that are like very local or typical Ghana, because you're crossing, and that is why we are here.
Yeah.
Because we don't even want to accept ours. Do you get what I'm saying? If they tell you to wear shirts, printed shirt, like Ankara shirt, you talk. But see how they show up in their native.
Own,
And you can't tell me that this one cannot match the Met color. Because Met color cannot do this.
No.
Because this is very original.
Yeah.
And it's for them. They can interpret it better than Met Gala. Do you get what I'm saying? So, like everything that they put on the red carpet for Ghana one, it's all Western. Like, it's open. Just like sleeping and opening your door. Everybody can enter. So this is how we show up for awards. It's very native, very original, and very authentic. Nice. Well, look at this.
So
This is...
Yeah, Osas decided to blend Ashanti and also Ewe culture. So the head was the Ewe culture,
That is...
and then the dress was Ashanti.
We'll be here and then we'll come and change Ghana to Nigeria because see, like food,
Yeah.
they are taking over. Like movies.
Now they've
film.
entered the watches zone.
Can you imagine? Like Jollof, they've conquered Jollof.
As for
literally.
Jollof, they've literally...
They are now coming to watch it. They will come and even learn the process here, and now come and take over. Look at this kente dress. Tell any Ghanaian artist to wear kente. Because I'm outdooring. I'm not way. But look at how nicely they've put this thing together.
Yeah.
And it's still kente.
Yeah.
That's why you see Ghanaian now. Let's use kente to sew this. It will be nice. They are far gone because she's done it already. After now, you are now coming to catch up. It will be too late.
Well, these are amazing.
These are very native.
Yeah,
And
these
if
are
you
very
check, they are
This is
native.
Uzo,
They are native
Korea.
costumes all worked.
Oh,
If you compare this
Oh,
one to the one they use for the awards, you realize that this one stands out
Yeah.
because it's unique. Look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, before we go, we need you to give us our last words. So we're talking about, we know the obvious, but let's compare the AMVCA and the TGMA.
All right. So I'll just say that intentionality is a problem here. We do anything anyhow, pardon my language, in this country when it comes to fashion. We think it's just, even if it's for 2 minutes, it's your presence. And you have to do it well. So someone will say, oh, it won't keep long. It's just 5 minutes. So let me just wear anything and go. But 5 minutes can do a lot for you. So we are not intentional about, as I said, about our red carpets. And we do it anyhow. Look at Emmys, the one Kojo does.
Yeah.
Compared to VGMA, you see a vast difference. This is someone who invests. I know what I'm talking about. Because I was on with Sefa last year. They invest. So if you do things like this, there's no way you'll be surprised. So if possible, if they can still push more people into the charter house, especially when it comes to fashion, even with music. I'm not really a music but most of the things that they say, normally you realize that it's just like the old banks where they keep the old people in with their old ideologies and they don't want a fresh mind. So it's like the same thing repeated. Intentionality, the difference between us and then the Nigerians. If you're intentional, we'll overcome it.
Thank you so much, therapist, for joining us this morning. It's been such an insightful conversation. Number one, intentionality. Number two, investment. We can't run away from that. We need to do better. I hope that Charterhouse has heard our cry.
And originality.
And originality.
Yeah.
Yes, these three key main points. And also, please, one more thing. Let's start planning ahead.
Yeah.
Because I just heard that with the AMVCA, they dress up, take their
2 days.
pictures 3 days
Yeah.
before, and then dress up the same thing and
Yeah.
go to the red carpet. So they are not late because the AMVCA starts very early.
Yeah.
By 5:30, they've
Yeah.
started, It's not like us that at 12 a.m. we are still,
Hey, we'll do better. That's right.
So please, let's do better, and let's take these words. And I know that you know, there's more for us to do as well. My name is Daphne Flashley, and I brought you the Fashion Wednesday segment. We'll be right back with more conversations on the show.